Welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. I'm a level 1 CMT and full-time trader. Today we're going to look at an update on SWFTCoin. Currently up 3% on the day, trying to knock on the door of hitting a penny. And we're not that far away. We're doing exactly what we need to do to climb up the hill. We're going to look at some bullish outlooks, some price prediction tops for this cycle. And we're in phase 3 with altcoin season on our doorstep. So let's get right to it. Looking at this structure, right? This is exactly what you want to see on altcoins. A move up, consolidation, above holding the 21 EMA, which is the yellow line. Another move up, right? Putting in higher highs, coming back, holding upper moving averages. Now we're holding right here, potentially going up higher. If we come back down, we're looking at the 0.5 fib right here, right? This also resistance zone. As we zoom out, we'll see. That would be kind of worst case what we want to look at. If we go below there, right, we're starting, there's probably something afoot in the entire market. So I don't anticipate that. And also our initial high here, right, that would be for a 55% downwards movement. Not likely. More likely, you'd worst case tag this 21 EMA, which not today, right? This could take days or weeks to get there. But as of right now, you haven't even closed below the EMA 8 yet. So if you're worried about trouble, you at least have to close below the EMA 8 first. And doesn't look like it wants to do that at all. So first and foremost, close under the EMA 8 before you get concerned. Otherwise, up is the odds. Let's zoom out to said weekly chart and look at the macro structure here. Previous range highs. Range high zone, that's what this is. And that's the 0.5 fib on this local move. And that is just too far down likely. When you do 135% in 1 week, you generally tend to not give that back, right? You've got some momentum behind you. So if we come down here, I mean, look how high we are above the Bollinger Band. The upper Bollinger Band is where your lower wick is, right? That's some serious power. So not to be taken lightly, right? This is an explosive move. I would expect consolidation sideways, and maybe we can hope to bring this EMA 8 up in the next days and weeks ahead, and maybe we just hit a wick off of the EMA 8. Or like I said, we're in phase 3 of the bull. Anything's possible, even further upside. So how much further do we have to go? Well, you can see we're knocking on the door of a penny, but you can see our 1618 on the macros at 2 cents already. So we're looking at over 2x just to hit that on our next move up, and maybe not even next move. Maybe this is just the initial move, right? If you look at the monthly, like we've just begun, right? This is just a little bit of a sell-off for maybe some people that have been in some profit, right? Just initially taking some off the table, right? Smart money, no problem. But phase 3 of the bull, right? You generally want to kind of just hold on. So 2 cents is the first target. We have 7 cents at the 2618. Let's see how much further we got here, right? 2x here, right? We're just a little bit over. The 2618 is an 8x away at 7 cents. We have the 3618 way the hell up here, almost 30 cents. And just a subtle 32x away. Market cap still allows for some of these numbers, by the way. And could we possibly get to the 423? Now we're starting to get into Moonboy territory here. 74x from current prices? Probably not. And why do I say that? Is it to burst your bubble? No. It's to keep you in reality, right? These low numbers. Generally speaking, I like to think of altcoins roughly going last cycle, right? Last cycle, based on evidence, it's around 20,000%. A lot of these did. And much above that, it's got to be like the top performer. So not that it couldn't be, right? Not that SWFTCoin couldn't do that. But let's get a reality check here. Where are we up now? Not much. 11x? Who cares? Right? Good. Could we get to the 1618 from the lows? We're looking at the lows here. So that's a 20, 25, 26x, right? No big deal. Of course. We're still only up 2,500%. The 2618, 10,000%, right? What did we just say? 20,000? Okay. Let's take it to 20,000. That gets us to 15 cents. So you would think like 10 cents should be definitely in the wheelhouse. 20 cents? Possibly. 20 cents gets you now just above kind of those targets. So I would say let's watch and see if this continues. I mean, if we get to the 1618 in the next handful of weeks, perhaps we can get up here. If it takes another couple of months or crypto has a hesitation, we do some more consolidation and these bullish green numbers fade a little bit, then we can kind of revisit. But these 2618 seems highly probable. 8 cents, 7, 8 cents, 10 cents seems doable. Where did you get in? That also like can sway your mind. But this is absolutely textbook. A breakout to new highs back in March. A throwback to the 21-month EMA for 1, 2, 3. Built a huge base right there. And that's why you're seeing explosive moves. I mean, it's structurally, I want to say perfect, but that's pretty damn good. You could almost go with perfect. 4 taps and 4 monthly taps on the 21 EMA. You're building some monumental trampoline anti-gravity effect, and that's what you got, right? Why did you get that 134% move? That wasn't random, right? It's in the charts. Boom, boom, boom. Hello, right? It's all there. All right, that's about as monumental of a chart as you can get. SWFTCoin going places, already on the way in its Rari. All right. Speaking of that, let's get to our supercar of the day. Cadillac CN, the only Cadillac with vertical doors that I know of. But this was a concept car. They should have made it. I think they could make it now and it would sell pretty good. They can compete with hypercars, right? Looks pretty badass to me. This is 25 years old too. Go look at cars 25 years old. This was ahead of its time. They should do it again. All right, quote of the day. The surest sign intelligent life exists elsewhere in the universe is that it's never tried to contact us. He's got a point. There you go. My bad. Let's get back to the car. You got to see one car without, there you go, without my face. Apologies. So sorry. All right. The only thing to make this better is it's, in a better color. Silver for a supercar is pretty boring. No silver there. All right.